Let's explore CSS masks and clip paths for precise visual effects. First, set up the HTML structure for our demonstration page. Create the basic HTML document structure. Link the external style sheet. Add a main heading for our workshop. Now create a grid container for our 4 effect boxes. Add the first box for a circular clip path effect. Add the second box for a gradient mask effect. Add the third box for a polygon clip path effect. Add the fourth box for a combined mask and clip effect. Now let's create the CSS file to build our visual effects. Start with a CSS reset and base body styles. Set the dark background color and center the content. Style the main container and the primary heading. We give an accent color and a bit of text shadow to the title. Create a responsive grid layout for the effect boxes. Style the base appearance of each effect box. Add a hover effect to lift the box and change its shadow. Style the images inside the boxes to fill the space. Style the label text at the bottom of each box. Now apply the first effect, a circular clip path. Use the circle function to create a perfect circle. Apply the second effect, a linear gradient mask. Use a gradient as a mask for a smooth fade effect. Apply the third effect, a polygon clip path for a diamond. Define a diamond shape using 4 polygon points. Apply the fourth effect, combining a star clip with a vignette mask. First, create a star shape with a polygon clip path. Then apply a radial gradient mask to soften the edges. Check the contents of our project directory. Now open the browser to see all 4 visual effects in action. Hover over each box to see the interactive lift effect. Observe the crisp circle, the soft gradient fade, the sharp diamond, and the soft star. There's a blog post and PDF version of this tutorial with more details on our websites. Also, if you need videos and content packages like this created for your own channel, follow the first link in the description.